शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपले स्वागत। सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व एन पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ।
Hello friends, I am Ashwini Patil. I am working in KA Banthia Madhyamik Vidyalaya New Panvel as an assistant teacher. Today I am going to learn the English poem of Standard 8, Unit 1.3. The name of the poem is Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. This poem is written by Harry Bain. Harry Bain, he is an American writer especially known for children's poem. Students, do you observe this picture? Yes, it is tree. So if you are asked that how trees are useful, how trees are helpful in your life, so your answer will be tree gives us flower, fruits, medicine, timber, so many things. So trees produce oxygen and gives pure air to us. So tree provide many things to us. So trees are precious, trees are useful, they are important for us. So in this poem, the poet Harry Bain has described the importance of the trees. And he is giving thanks to the trees that trees are the kindest things I know. Now let's read the poem. And please listen carefully. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new buds of green. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. Now children, let's see the new words in the poem. First word, boughs. Boughs means branches. Next, Halloween. Halloween means a festival in autumn observed in western countries. Now beams. Beams means rays. Next word, drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy. And lullaby. Lullaby means soft, slow song to put children to sleep. So these are hard words in this poem. So let's see the explanation of the poem. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow. In these lines, in these two lines, the poet says that trees are the kindest things I know. Kindest. Kindest means affectionate, generate. Who kind most? That is called kindest. So the poet says that trees are the kindest things and they do not harm to anyone, they do not damage to anyone. They can help others, they help others and they care for others, they live only for others and they simply grow, they grow peacefully and they do not want anything in return. Now next, and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. Now tree always gives us a shade and they give shade for sleepy cows. It means tree gives shade where animals take a rest. When we tired, we can take a shelter under the trees. And birds, birds, they gather among the branches of the trees. They build their nest on their branches. Next lines. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of. Now tree gives us fruits or flowers also. Tree gives us wood to build our houses, furniture. We can make table, sofa, door, windows, so many things from wood. Come. And leaves to burn on Halloween and in the spring new birds of green. Halloween means a festival. It is celebrated in the western countries. It is celebrated in month of October. As it is winter, the people need warmth or heat. And people burn dried leaves to get warmth. And in the spring season in India, there is a hot atmosphere, there is a hot climate, and tree grows new green buds and lovely atmosphere created by the trees. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. So here the poet says that trees are very tall and sun rays first fall on the trees. So they are the first to get morning sun. It means when sun is coming out from the horizon, the first rays received by the trees. Now next lines. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Here the poet want to say that when sunset, they are the, it means trees. Trees are the last to receive the sunlight. When people are running, they are rushing to their homes. They are returning to their homes. Nobody enjoy the twilight. So who enjoy the twilight? So only trees, they enjoy the twilights. It means they are the last to hold the light. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Here the poet want to say that when it is night, when moon float into the sky, so that time trees, it means trees, they hum drowsy lullaby. They makes noise. They makes a noise when the wind is blowing and passing through the leaves or branches. So the trees, they are created humming noise. They sing a song, and that time the beautiful atmosphere created. Of sleepy children long ago, trees are the kindest thing I know. It means trees are created a drowsy lullaby here. Lullaby means a song that always children want to listen the song when they go to bed. That is called lullaby. So the children, they listen the song of the trees. It means when trees sing a song for sleepy children, children sleep. So in the last line, here is the repetition that trees are the kindest things I know. It means according to the poet that trees are the kindest things. It means they give us many things. So he is giving thanks to the trees. And in short, here the poet gives advice to us that be generous, be kind. Only giving, simply giving. People, they have no expectations. Thank you.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल, सदैव आपल्यासोबत रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल. नेहमी पाहत रहा, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.